Hi, I'm Bruce, and I'm going to show you how to mount a motherboard into a computer case. So today we're using standard ATX size motherboard in an ATX case. The first thing you want to do is you want to take a look at your motherboard, and you want to figure out the layout of your motherboard standoffs. That is the location where you're going to be mounting it to the motherboard. So this one has 3 across the top, 3 across the middle, and 2 offset on the bottom. So we will start by matching up the brass standoff screws into the holes in the motherboard. And the next step, you want to attach your back plate to the rear of the case. And these will just pop right in. Might take a little bit of force, but it will snap in. And next we'll take the motherboard, carefully set it in place. You want to make sure that all of your ports are successfully underneath the bent grounding connections on the back plate. They have a tendency to want to stick inside the ports. Next, we'll take a few screws and we'll start screwing it into place. You might have to give it a little bit of pressure so that it lines up properly against that back plate while you're screwing it in. And we are all set. That is one mounted motherboard. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.